Hey everyone! Welcome to Stocks 101, everything you need to know to get started. I'm super excited to take you on this journey into the world of investing in stocks. This is the first video in our multi-part series, and today we'll be diving into the basics. Let's get started. So, what are stocks? Simply put, stocks represent ownership in a company. When you buy a stock, you're essentially buying a piece of that company. Think of it like this. If a company were a pie, owning a stock means you own a slice of that pie. Cool, right? Now let's talk about the two main types of stocks, common and preferred. Common stocks are what most people think of when they hear the word stocks. They give you ownership in a company and usually come with voting rights at shareholder meetings. Plus, if the company does well, common stockholders can benefit from dividends and capital appreciation. Preferred stocks, on the other hand, are a bit different. They don't usually come with voting rights, but they have a higher claim on assets and earnings than common stocks. This means if the company pays dividends, preferred stockholders get paid first. Also, if the company goes bankrupt, preferred stockholders are paid out before common stockholders. So in a way, preferred stocks are like a mix between common stocks and bonds. Alright, so how do stocks work? When a company wants to raise money to grow or expand, it can issue stocks. These stocks are then bought and sold on stock exchanges like the New York Stock Exchange or NASDAQ. The price of a stock is determined by supply and demand. If more people want to buy a stock than sell it, the price goes up. If more people want to sell than buy, the price goes down. But why should you invest in stocks? Well, historically, stocks have provided higher returns than most other investments over the long term. By investing in stocks, you have the potential to grow your wealth significantly. Plus, investing in stocks allows you to be a part of the success of companies you believe in. Imagine owning a piece of your favorite tech company or a fast-growing startup. It's a pretty awesome feeling. And that's it for our introduction to stocks. Stay tuned for the next video where we'll dive deeper into how to start investing and strategies to consider. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on the rest of our series. Thanks for watching and happy investing.